Hey guys, welcome to our videos. None other than your Joseph. Here with us, we have the Poco F1 with us, guys. In this video, we are gonna quickly unbox it. I know it's too late. It's everyone expecting Poco F2, but here with us, we have it. Let's unbox. First, you can see the Poco by Xiaomi logo in the box itself, and after that, you return it. You can see Poco F1, and you can after turn it again backside. You can see some manual information like price and details. You can buy. Link will be in the description. Let's quickly read it up. It says Poco F1 Steel Blue 6GB RAM 64GB variant. I brought it 4GB version. It says price is 21,999, but I got it from 21,000 rupees in Mi Home right now in 2019 starting. You can also expect the same price. I think it's dropped a little bit slightly, but you can mostly expect it. After turning the box again, you can see blank. And on the back there's some more information highlights about it. Mostly you all know, but let's read it up again. It's a Snapdragon 845 up to 2.8 GHz with AIE Snapdragon 845 chipset, and it says liquid cooling system, and means it's not liquid technically, but it says the name is liquid cooling technology. And you have a dual AI camera, back is 12 plus 5 and front is 20 megapixel, and you have infrared face unlocking system also, and you are getting a 4000 mAh Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 supported battery. Means not a battery support, but yeah, every battery it's our wish. Means the phone supports Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0, and you are getting a box inbuilt charger also. Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 supported. And down it says dual SIM, hybrid SIM, 6.18 inches FHD plus display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 10nm tech chipset, Wi-Fi, your micro USB types, sorry, micro not USB. And fun fact, it has not micro USB, it has a USB type C. I will read it backward, but I'm correcting my mistake here. And let's quickly unbox it. Here we can see first is blank yellow. The box is from front it's black, and from inside it's a yellow box. And inside that you are getting some quick things like a warranty manual and a TPU case for protection. Mostly at so many prices separately, but mostly separately, but still somebody uses it, and it's not a very good quality also. I'm not recommending it to use it internally. You want means you can buy separately a good quality case for 4 to 500 rupees in online, and you are getting a Poco user manual, how to use it and that and stuff. You can read it. You want means it's your wish. Mostly anybody never reads it also, but they said read it. After that we are getting the phone itself. After we are removing the phone backside, we are getting some numbers. Let's quickly remove it in a schematic experience. So like that you can quickly remove it. And it has a brick also. You can say Poco Qualcomm 6 watts 3.0. You can see the logo also. It supports 5 amp 3.5, but yeah, it's a made in India product also, and it has a Qualcomm reset. You can see 5 volt 3 amp, 9 volt 2 amp, 12 volt 1.5 amp. It's a quick charger officially. Yeah, it has an inbuilt box. You saw the box also. This is the good plus point for Poco F1, and it has my USB type C port also. And here is the USB cable. It's I think 1 meter cable they are providing inside the box. You can see the USB type C cable. Of course, I think they should be extending the cable to 1.5, but still it's getting for free, and the quality is very good, genuine quality. I'm mostly recommending it to don't charge with other chargers. Means you have other charger means you have good quality Sony, Samsung that chargers means you bought it separately. means you can use it, but not cheap 200-300 rupees chargers. Also, I'm not recommending it in any phone also. And here we go. Let's go to quickly back specifications. It has 12 plus 5 megapixel dual ray camera with a glass fingerprint scanner. It's not a plastic one, typically not plastic means iron one, mostly all of that comes in that. And it has a 4000 mAh battery. It has a Poco by Xiaomi logo down. It has a dual tone LED flash back side, and at the bottom you are getting a USB type C port and a microphone and a speaker also. It has a dual speaker, the Xiaomi claims. It has a front speaker also works like a speaker also. But I tested out, it's not too good also. On the right side you are getting two volume rockers and a power on off button to of course on and off the phone, would you like means. And after that you are turning the means you are getting a 3.5mm audio jack and a noise cancellation microphone for your extra noise. And mostly I don't know your phone out means, but mostly everybody does. And outside some noises will be there. It will help to do lesser, not completely vanished, but it's good. And you are getting in the left side you are getting US. You can change your sims also. It has a dual hybrid SIM slot, means you can use two sims or one SIM and one SD card. And you can see it has a 6.18 inches full HD plus 19:5 like that 8 ratio display. I don't know aspect ratio exactly, but there's some covers like nearly I covered it. And it has a 20 megapixel AI front camera, and you can see right, you can hear the middle earphone, and you can see an infrared face unlocking camera system on the right side. That is the main specs in front side. Here we go. We are gonna quickly, I rebooted it already, and let's get quickly started and I will show you some important specifications of this. First I'm gonna head to settings and I'm gonna head to about phone, and you can see a update also. Right now it's a updates for security level patch. Also you are getting a free update after installing, means you open rebooting kind of that, and it's a good. And let's quickly with the specifications. It says device name Poco F1, model number Poco F1, and it says Android version 8.1 Oreo. It runs Android version 8.1 Oreo, and you can see Android security level patch 2018 10th month. And yeah, first means they are not including the latest, but I hope after updating we can set some 2019's one also. And that it has a GPU of 2 max up to 2.8 gigahertz, and it has 6 GB RAM. It has MIUI 10 global stable version also, and MIUI 11 is also releasing in 2 to 3 months. Let's test it out in that. And it runs in a Poco launcher specific by Poco team also, for including the scroll bar. Mostly I love scrolling up and down because home, I want to make it a simple home, that's why mostly. But your wish, you would like MIUI customs or like that. Let's gonna quickly go to camera and show you some samples. I shot it in Poco F1 rear camera. You can see the exact details. I shot it in AI mode also, not including any AI mode. Automatically adjusted the background color and sound. I recently went to some amusement park and I shot it there, and you can see the picture quality also. And it says Poco shot on Poco F1 also. Yeah, it has a proof also. I have, why am I saying, I don't know, but yeah. And you can see the clarity also. You only decide how you like it in comparison of a camera. I'm not showing any front sample because I'm not a selfie fan. and don't take selfie pictures also. That's why I'm not a selfie fan. That's why I'm not showing you also any selfies like that. Personally, sorry. Currently I don't have any selfies also in the phone. That's why I'm really sorry. Let's check it out a quick video. I captured it in 1080p 60 frames per second in 16:9 aspect ratio. I started it in Poco F1. I went it in. You can check it out the clarity and motion stability also, how it is, and you only comment down below how you like. Mostly personal opinion, it was a very smooth experience because this time it has a EIS also for shooting, and it has a very fast focus shifting range. You can check it out, it shifts very faster, and you can see a buttery smooth video also. You can see it can adjust aperture easily, and I prefer easy photos, and it has a very good camera for the price. I know Redmi Note 7 Pro has been launched. Redmi Note 7 Pro is in terms better in clarity, but I am gonna show you all. Personally I liked Poco F1 by Redmi Note 7 Pro also. I tested it. Personally I liked Redmi Note Poco F1's camera a little bit slightly better because of the camera clarity, and it has a f1.7 lens also. That's why it makes very easy. I already called also someone I know, and really the clarity is always average like a typical phones. I didn't test it in crowd areas, but yeah, inside home it sounds good like every phone does in this segment and in this easily. And you can go and check it out also. Link will be in description to buy it. You want to, means it has a graphite black edition also. And let's get into our traditional CPU set. It's a Snapdragon 845 2.8 GHz, and it has a Quio Corsair performance range, and it has a Adreno 630 GPU also. Adreno 630 means it can play Fortnite also. Yeah, it can play Fortnite means, yeah, you can guess it. I already downloaded it, I tried it. It's smooth, not buttery smooth, because any phone can play Fortnite buttery smooth. Any phone can play buttery smooth in PUBG also, Google Pixel 3 XL, iPhone 10X Max also. That's why it's a very good for the price, and for mostly performance. The phone is best at the performance this is offering. It's one of the best. Is you can check it out in devices like quick information, and it has a 8.1 Android, and health good level, battery level 60%, in charge, no lithium ion, lithium polymer type battery. You can see the heatness, and you can see the quick sensors also, and you can go and check it out for more information, the official CPU set application also. And let's go to and you can see the temperatures also, and you can quickly check it out. You can pause the video you would like, means you can make the video slow, and you can read it quickly you want, means any information of that. And we are gonna quickly show every information of the phone, and we are gonna quickly go home, and we can go to, let's test the Antutu benchmarks on it. And personally I like scrolling, and I forgot to mention it has an internal search. You can search by your app color also. Personally I love that, and so many other phones should also bring that, but most of the phones doesn't think of innovative technology. And I already tested the Antutu benchmark also. It says 2,85,332 it gave, but still I'm gonna recheck it also. Let's quickly, I'm gonna skip it because mostly who want to watch this much longer video, it's already 17 minutes some change seconds also. Who want to watch the real this much big video? Personal opinion, mostly I prefer to see some lesser videos like 5, 7, 10 minutes. And here we go, you can see 2,85,839. This time it came little bit higher also. It has a CPU performance of 91,000, and you can see GPU performance 1,25,000 I said you Adreno 630 GPU. It has Adreno 630 GPU. The performance will be great. You can play PUBG extreme conditions also at high intense gaming. It's a very smooth. It's mostly I recommended you for gaming only the phone, because the phone is very good at it and the processor is awesome. It's my favorite. That's why I mostly brought it, because the performance of it will be amazing. And let's get the, I'm gonna quickly show a sample by a video also. You only judge how the video and sound and video clarity looks like. Only decide how is the clarity and the sound audio also. I recorded it by my inner microphone in my phone from Realme 2 Pro. You only judge how it is clarity. And I didn't show the full song because of copyright claims. Of course, you all know we use other body's content without permission means we can get a copyright claim and the video will be turned down from online to offline. And personally, my opinion, I prefer that you should wait for Poco F2, but you really need a new phone means you can get it for this also. It's one of the best right now in the market. I personally recommend you to go wait for some time for Poco F2. But you are in the hurry means of course you can buy it also, because your phone is damaged. Otherwise you can't wait like me means you can buy it. Of course I am still recommending Poco F1 also, but still you can wait means you should wait for 3 to 4 months for Poco F2, because of course that is updated version. You can get a better value also for your money. That's why. And that's all for this video, and I hope you got my new style and my new font and my new style, whatever I tried to do jokes, you understand, I don't know. And comment down below how is my new font, and please subscribe and like to my channel. And you love means yeah, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching my video.